What happened, Mama? Cut yourself. Eh. Yucky, yucky, Mama. Can you walk dog? Let's go look for birds. Where are birds, baby? Chukawa. Pamo trees num num. Uh-oh, no num num for them today. Trees num num karera. Huh, baby? What do trees eat? Remember? What do trees eat? Trees num num? No rain. Yeah, uh-oh. Oh no, no rain. But it's okay. Yeah? Cause look, Mama, sun.
It's hot.
It's hot. Yeah, sun also gives food to the trees and plants.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Uh-oh. But where are birds? Alright guys, so we're out here exploring our neighborhood nature, and we kind of sort of do this on a daily basis. We try to find birds so we can feed them a little bit of rice. So yeah, we're looking for birds. This is the rice. We usually take about a little bit and we go looking for birds, and she gets super stoked about it as she explores the trees. Whose house is that? Stella?
Yeah.
That's your best friend?
Stella?
No, Stella. Let's go, baby. Come on. So, oh, Stella, night night?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah. As I was saying, we usually try to look for birds to feed, or just look at the grass and those little side plants. Hi.
Mama, please, Mama.
I know, we're looking for birds, Mama. Where are birds? Such a beautiful day out. Like, it's not even hot. But this little girl is excited. She is such an outdoorsy person. Are you? Hello.
Mama.
Guys, I apologize if the
Mama. Papa.
Appa?
Yeah.
What do you mean? We're gonna go feed the birds. If the frame is not that good, I apologize because it's really sunny. I can barely see anything. So I really hope I'm getting her. Wow, Mama, what's that? It's a tree? Look, let's explore some grass and whatever things they have here. Ooh, this is what? A leaf. Yeah. Don't pluck it. Don't pluck it. No, Mama. Tinda chair mare, Mama. See? Chambu. Hey, Mama, no, like baby. This is trees. Okay?
Mama.
Yeah. Oh, look, Boo. See? I don't know if you can see, there are little ants over here. Oh, there it went. Yeah, Mama, see? It's trees. Little plants.
Let's go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then. My little guide. She sees other kids playing. Come on, Mama.
Hi.
No, come on.
Come on. Oh no. Then, what's it?
It's a cat. Alright guys, so we're over here trying to feed the bird. Not sure if you guys can see those little grains of rice that we're trying to feed the birds. Apparently no birds are coming. I mean, they're just sitting over there. But they're just not budging. So yeah. Alright, well, patience. Patience, Mama. Yeah, Mama, go. Okay. Payu, Mama, Payu. Throw it a little over there. No, not over there, Mama. Pagila. Yeah. Pascu. Yeah. Good job, Mama. You sure did. Okay.
We're ready. Oh no.
Calling the birds.
Mommy.
Say, come on, birdie.
Come on, baby. Mama.
You want more? Payu. Yeah. No, not over there. Oh my gosh, there are birds over here, but they're not coming to eat. Like, come on, birds. Come on. Okay, they just flew away. Oh, they're coming. Oh my gosh, they're coming. Guys, my battery is like almost dying and I'm trying to get every bit, but they're coming. They're coming. Yeah. Yeah, baby, they're coming. So, come on, birdie. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, we're across the street. Oh!